Hello world, so we've got a bit of an issue. So this has only done 3 prints and we've developed a fault on the part cooling fan. It's really super loud. I'll show you an example of that now. Okay, so I spoke to Bambu Labs and they are sending out a part cooling fan, but I ordered one to get it quicker. So we're going to show you how to swap that out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this front plate here. It just literally pops off. And we need to take out the rubber just rubber sheath off the hot end, like so. A bit of gunk, a bit of filament there. And then we need to take out the hot end. Now I believe, I'm just going to pause this, have a look, and then I'll show you how to do it. Yeah, so I just want to be sure that it basically just unclips, and then there's a little plate that goes across to hold it in, and then I think it should just pull out, like so. Not great that there's a bit of filament in there, but hopefully it'll be all right. Okay. So yeah, so I was thinking about it. I was a bit worried about that, but actually it cuts it anyway and then pushes it through each time, so that's not an issue. We're now gonna take out 4 screws. So it's 1, 2, there's 1 in here, 3, and 1 over here, 4. So we're gonna take those out now. So do let me know what you've been printing. Comment below any super cool prints that you think I should try out. Try not to lose your screws. Okay, so the next step is to take the back piece off. So this comes off, there's a little hole underneath that you can hook it out with. And then on the side here, try and show you, this piece here should move forward like so. Okay, I'm just gonna try and get a bit of extra light here. So this is the cable that goes around to the part cooling fan. So we're gonna unplug this and then we undo the screws on the part cooling fan, it comes off. And then we'll put the new cooling fan on, rewire it in, back on, side forward, and that should hopefully be it. And then we'll do all the front part up. Just when you pull off this bit slightly, don't pull it off all the way. Because there's a ribbon cable in here that you need to be really careful of. Okay, so putting the new fan on, just make sure that you run the cable up and in the slot, screws back in, and then that plugs into the back. Okay, so this is all screwed back on, and now we are literally just putting the hot end back in. It's a bit fiddly, to be fair. First time we've done this. There we go. And then clip a metal bit across and clip it in. And then up the right way helps. A silicone sheet on thingy, whatever it is. I don't remember what these things are called.
Sheath.
Oh, a sheath. Okay, and then front cover should line up, and technically should just pop back on, but obviously you've got to get it lined up. Yeah, so just got to be pretty firm with that. The 2 slots here, and then they push in, but you've got to use a bit of force. But just be careful not to break it. Last thing you want to do is have to order new parts. Okay, so we are all back together. So it's just a case of testing it. So let's find something to print. Okay, so we've got some multicolored raccoons, and hopefully this will be quieter, because at 60% fan speed it felt and sounded like a jet engine. but we won't know till it actually starts. So let's come back when it's kicking in. Okay, so the fan is currently at 0%, so obviously it's super quiet. I'm gonna see if I can put it up. So this is 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so getting a little bit of noise now. 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And then back down to 30. So on 30, it was super, super loud, so you can't hear a thing now.